Welcome to the virtual tour of 77 Hawker Street in Airport West. 77 Hawker Street is a 3-bedroom brick veneer home with a lock-up garage and an outside bungalow. As we enter, we have a passageway, and immediately to the left is bedroom 1. Bedroom 1 has got curtains and blinds, a freestanding heater, wardrobe, has been freshly painted and has floorboards. This is bedroom 2. Blinds, electric heater, and a single-sized wardrobe. And just next to that is bedroom 3 with timber panelled walls, blinds, no heating in this room, and some freestanding cupboards. At the end of the entryway is the modern bathroom with mirrored cabinets and vanity, freestanding bath, and an open shower. So it's got a shower door on this side, but a shower screen curtain on this side. And the bathroom has the heat lamps as well. This is the living area with electric heating. The gas heater has been decommissioned and disconnected. Plenty of cupboards and shelving, a combination of brick, timber and plaster walls. The kitchen is in original condition with original lino flooring. Timber cabinets, single basin. Four-burner Westinghouse stove and oven. Plenty of room for a dining table. As we exit the kitchen, the toilet is in the laundry area. This is part of the laundry, plenty of space for a washing machine and dryer. And then just past the laundry, there is the second part of the laundry, possibly sunroom. that exits out into the rear yard. This is the rear yard. It has a freestanding bungalow and a large backyard area. Single lock-up garage. This is the bungalow located at the back of the property. It's a good use of space, great for storage or a do-it-yourself workstation. And it has a combination lock to enter.